I'm going to read English newspaper. 1,492 people died during 2024 monsoon season. IMD data. 'A total of 1,492 people died in India during extreme weather events in the 2024 monsoon season, according to data compiled by the Indian Meteorological Department. The data revealed that 895 people lost their lives due to floods and rain related incidents, while 597 fatalities were caused by thunderstorms and lightning strikes during the monsoon season. The IMD reported that the country experienced 525 heavy rainfall events, perceptions between 11 5.6 millimeter and 204.5 millimeter, the highest in the last 5 years, and 96 extremely heavy rainfall events above 204.5 millimeter during the 2024 monsoon. According to the data, 17 people died from heat waves, 13 in Jharkhand and 4 in Rajasthan during the early parts of the season. Kerala, which witnessed devastating landslides in the ecologically fragile Wayanad district on July 30, recorded 397 deaths due to floods and heavy rains. Assam and Madhya Pradesh recorded 102 and 100 deaths respectively due to floods and heavy rains. In the national capital, 13 deaths were reported as a result of floods and heavy rains. The data also revealed that Madhya Pradesh recorded the highest number of deaths due to thunderstorms and lightning strikes, followed by Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Jharkhand. The 2024 Southwest monsoon season officially ended on Monday, with India recording 934.8 millimeter of rainfall, 107.6% of the long period average and the highest since 2020. Central India received 19% more rainfall than the long period average for the region. The southern Peninsula recorded 40% more than normal, and Northwest India saw 7% more than usual. In contrast, East and Northeast India registered 40% less rainfall than normal. According to the data, the country experienced an 11% rainfall deficit in June, followed by an excess at 9% in July, 15.3% in August, and 11.6% in September. Only three meteorological subdivisions recorded deficient rainfall this monsoon season. India's geographical area is divided into 30 meteorological subdivisions. 21 subdivisions recorded normal rainfall, 10 experienced excess rainfall, and 2 saw large excess rainfall. Thank you guys for watching this.